So I've got these drills here. These are called reaming drills, and these are made to drill a hole out to its exact size. They're not actually for drilling holes that aren't there, but these work great in 3D prints. They work really well. They don't just rip straight into the material and pull out long strands of swarf. They just ream it out to the right size, and it just leaves a little bit of dusted swarf on the end of the drill. You don't get long melted swarf tails that are half melted to the inside of the hole. So these work great, and you can find them cheap enough online. So yeah, reaming drills, and they work really well on 3D printed parts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.